Welcome to the MusiciansPlug.com video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing notifications and settings. To this point, we've created an account, edited some of our profile details, as well as customized it with our own background image. Now, we can change actually our notifications and settings. So if I click Notifications and Settings, I can modify how other users interact with me, as well as the emails that I receive. So notifications are actually the emails that you would receive to your account. So anytime somebody comments on your page, sends you an email, adds you to their contact book, rates you, creates a plugified, or has a post to the forum, you would receive an email notification saying that that action has happened. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to remove forum notifications as well as plugifieds. No other users will actually see your notifications, but you just will stop receiving emails for them. Now, under Settings, this is where we can actually establish our current project status. If I flip over to my profile, I can see that my availability is currently set that I am involved in a project and I'm available for collaboration. So, on my settings, I can change my project status to involved in a project, and then I can say that I'm not available for collaboration. I can also change this to whatever customized term or phrase that I want to actually put in there. So I could say that, yes, I'm available for jamming. Or I can say that I'm not available for jamming if I wanted to. The next settings, underneath our settings section, is how users actually interact with us. So if I wanted to, I can actually turn off any of the features that appear on my profile. Let's look at another profile to see how I can interact with them when I'm logged in. As you can see, with other profiles, I can interact with them in different ways. So with Daft Punk, for example, I could rate them, review them, email them, save them, as well as upload images on their behalf. So say I attended the show at Coachella in 2006, I could upload pictures of that famous concert. I can also then rate and kind of review Daft Punk if I wanted to. So I could add a review. This is basically like a comment for this band. So if I flip back to my notifications and settings status, I can choose to turn off comments, turn off the ability to email me, turn off the saves, turn off the booking, and turn off the uploads. So basically, if I had all these turned off, there'd be no way to comment on my profile. Nobody could review me, email me, save me, upload, or book me. All they can do would be rate me. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to turn off everything except for emailing. And then we update our notifications and settings. And I'm going to log in as a different user to show you how that user would see your profile and be able to interact with you after these notifications and settings have been changed. Now that I'm logged in as another user, I can look at the zHizzle profile that we've made and see that I cannot review them and I cannot save them to my current save book, but I can rate and email them. And I also cannot upload any images to their account. Additionally, see there's no more section for commenting. So we've successfully modified our notifications and settings for both how emails come to us as well as how other users in the community interact with us. Stay tuned for more tutorials on profile customization.